Welcome to Coffee and Tarot with Mama T. My name is Teresa, and I just got these decks in the mail today and wanted to do a quick unboxing of them. They are called the Haunted Cat Tarot and the Fearless Familiars Oracle deck. These are they're just in the spirit of the season of Halloween and Samhain, and so I thought it would be fun to have a quick look at these. So we'll just roll them over. We've got the Fool and the Adept. I'm just having a look here at the angle to see if you can see these, if I need to kind of zoom in a little bit more. And it's just, all about the black cat. I just thought that they were wonderful for Halloween season, for October. I know I'm going to enjoy doing readings with these in the coming days and weeks. Look at that bliss. I love that. The Lovers, Curiosity. I got these on Etsy, and they came in it was a nice big pack, a multi-pack deck of 3 tarot decks and 3 oracle decks. And I'll do unboxings of the others in the next few days as well. On the tarot, the oracle deck has, I believe, 52 cards, and so I decided to pare the tarot down to 52 cards. So we're going through the major arcana right now, and then I will do the aces and the tens, the threes, the court cards, and a couple of the 9 cards to make it kind of an even balance here as I'm flipping the cards over. They're just so delightful. The artist who made this said that his name is J. Edward and Heather Neal. The Shadow Art Finds is their website, and they said they took years to create these decks, and they're based on many of their own kitties. Well, my little familiars do like to make themselves known. My kitty cat is curling around my feet right now. It looks like this box is out of the frame here. I want to make sure that's in the frame so you can see it. I love these card backs too. They're just so mystical and pretty. So here's the suits are the tombs, the staves, the moons, and the chalices. Look at that, the novice with those moons. So pretty. Ah, 10 of moons. Isn't that pretty? I mean, this artwork is just gorgeous. They are slippery, so they're kind of sliding all over. And the 9 of Moons. I had to have the 9 of Moons and the 9 of Chalices in there since they're a couple of my favorite cups cards from the tarot. I love the ones with the moons in them. They just capture such a mood. The Tribe. The Trickster. I will see if I can link this in my comments so that you can check out the artist on Etsy. Maybe they will have something that you're interested in as well. Oh, I love this one. The Watcher. And there we are. The Witch. Great way to end. So that is the Haunted Cat Tarot and the Fearless Familiars. Thank you for joining me for this unboxing. Don't forget to click like on this video and subscribe to my channel. And I hope to see you in my next reading, my next video. This wasn't really a reading. Thanks again. Take care now. Bye-bye.